Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com, and today we'll be taking a look at the Wonder Wash made by Laundry Alternative. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. This ultra portable washing machine comes at a cheap price of $69.99, making it probably the cheapest washing machine on the market. The unit is perfect for any type of situation that does not have electricity, such as boats, RVs, camping. The unit is no larger than a propane tank, making it very, very easy to store, and the 3-year warranty on it gives you peace of mind that you're actually buying something with quality. Now, the components on the machine are as follows. First of all, we have the lid. The lid opens by popping up this little nozzle here. You'll give it a twist, lift up on the lid, and voila, we can put clothes inside of it. In order to put the lid back on, we'll put it on at an angle, pop it down, give it a twist, and push this back down. Of course, on the bottom, right here, we have your drain. Now this is a compression fitting, so in order to get the unit to drain, what you'll have to do is put the pipe inside. It has kind of a little locking mechanism where you will twist it. It pushes in on a plunger, allows water to come out, but water does not come out fast enough if you do not lift up the lid and pull it off so that air can escape. Of course, on the bottom here, we have some suction cups. If you have laundry in there, you don't want it moving around. So that is pretty nice. You can suction it down to a counter, get it nice and stable, get it ready to go, put your clothes in, and of course, in order to wash, you'll just twist it. The instruction manual says to do it about 1 rotation per second. Of course, keep alternating, and depending on how dirty the clothes are, you'll want to time it accordingly. Now, let's get some clothes in there and fill it up. Now, outside of being used in non-electricity environments, this is also used very well for household circumstances. One of the examples I'm going to give you is microfiber. As you know, microfiber cannot be washed with regular clothes, so my wife will usually save up all the microfiber, but it's just too small to do a regular load. This would be great for this machine. My work shirts, I could do some type of OxyClean load without actually having to fill up the entire wash, or hats. These tend to get destroyed inside washing machines. This would be great just to do a kind of a tumble wash with them so that the bills don't get all messed up like mine are. Now, my favorite one, which I'm going to fill the machine with today, let's open it up, is mop heads. Nobody wants to put mop heads inside the regular machine. They're dirty. A lot of them are microfiber. This is great. You can wash them all separate, and you don't have to use up all that water. So let's put a couple of them in here. We will pull off our drain pipe, set that to the side. Now, depending on the load, you'll want to use anywhere from 1 to 2 tablespoons of soap. This isn't too big, so I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. Make sure I fill it right above the unit so I don't get any drippings on the counter here. Now, let's go ahead and fill it with water. Make sure the water goes in kind of slow. You don't want it to splash over. And of course, you have a fill line. The reason why there's a fill line is because if you have a lot of clothing inside of here and you fill it all the way to the top, it will not be able to move around. So this almost works as an agitation, leaving a little bit of water inside of here, leaving a little bit of air inside of here. All right, we'll go ahead and turn the water off, and then we will put our lid back on. You'll go to the side some, give it a turn, lock it in place. And of course, this is when all the magic happens. Let's go ahead and give it some turns. It's not too hard to turn. I feel like the suction cups are popping a little bit. A cleaner counter would probably help a lot with that. But as you can see, I'm not going too fast. I'm letting the clothes just kind of pop back and forth. That's what actually cleans them. And of course, just keep changing the direction. And after you're done, let's get it ready to drain. Now, as I stated before, when you put your drain pipe in, you'll see water will come out, but then it's going to slow down. But if we open this lid and pop it, let some air through, the water's going to come the rest of the way out. So we'll let it drain here. Now that it's done draining, we will remove the pipe. You might get a little bit of drippage down there, so make sure you have a towel if you're setting it on wood. And of course, we're gonna wanna rinse. Now, when you are washing and rinsing, it is ideal to wash your clothes in hot and rinse in cold with this machine. And again, do not go over the fill line up here so you have some air in the top and the clothes have room to move around. All right, we'll go ahead and shut the water off. Get any excess drippings. Let's put the lid back on, give it a turn. I like to line it up so that the locking pin is going to the back. Of course, let's rinse it. I do not recommend shortening the rinse cycle. You want to get all of that soap out of the fabric. All right, once you are done rinsing, we will repeat. Let's go ahead and put the nozzle back on the drain. Wait for it to slow down a little bit. Pop up that cap. And let the rest come out. Now that we have the unit drained, we can start to take the clothes out. Now, in my opinion, this is the biggest con to the machine. You have to wring your clothes out. It does not have a spin cycle. So just go through, wring all of these out. I definitely think that the positives outweigh the negatives. I'm okay with wringing these out when I have to. Saves a lot of water. Probably saves my washing machine in my house, depending on what I'm washing. And it really doesn't add a whole lot of extra time. So overall, nice machine. We'll go ahead and hang dry those mop heads. We will put our lid back on the Wonder Wash and re-secure it. Overall, I give this unit a thumbs up. In my opinion, this is a winner, and for $69.99, you can't really go wrong. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.